this trail here is holding back some water. I want to put a culvert in here. Well, I'm starting to get ditched out. So we're out here stealing perfectly good culverts. That one right there, because it's draining those trees. He's winching on her. Whoa. Maybe in there a little good. Yeah, didn't even budge it. I got in here, stepped on the brake. Something, it was moving and it just popped. Still moving. She broke. Keep going. Perfect. Come on, girl. Like a big snake coming out of there. We're gonna have to watch out for pedestrians. Anybody going out to get their mail is gonna get wiped. Yeah, no, there's nobody on this road. It's really not over with. It just looks like it. Optical illusion. See if we can hit any trees in this plantation. Narrow spot coming up there. Be close, but you should be all right. Yep, you made it. Water cleared up nicely. I think I'm gonna just there. That'll work. Uh-oh. Dust coming out of it, smoke. I say mission complete. A lot of water. A lot of water gushing out of there. Okay, that project's done. Looks like a big rock stuck in the gate. Dragging a culvert behind me. Trucking. Dragging a culvert. I'm an excellent driver. Of course, I'm an excellent driver, but I'm not good at backing culverts down roads. So Matthew's gonna bring the skid steer and come get it. Yeah, I know we have a Swiss culvert. That's alright. It'll still work. We'll stick this out the downhill. There he is. I think we're gonna con Matthew into lifting that rock up so we can unhook this chain. Oh. Try it again. There you go. Let me do the other side. Okay. Perfect. Nice catch. I suppose I could have hooked that a little tighter. The trick is not to drag culverts down the road on the ground, or that'll scoop dirt and it'll plug it tight. It's a bugger to get it undone. So lift her up in the air and drag it that way. 19 foot with the Swiss and oh, I see there's some dirtness. Ooh, we're getting close. That wasn't a bad 40-mile walk. And if you believe that, I have oceanfront property here in Minnesota. Okay, Matthew, good. What? Alright, so I've got the culvert in place. And that hole in the culvert, I actually would have preferred that to be on bottom. But I didn't do it right, so Matthew's trying to spin it for me. There you go. Yes! There we go. Shiny side up. That's what everybody tells me. Oh, need this. So the ground is barely thawed out up here. It's absolutely saturated soils from all the snow melt, because all that moisture builds up on top, and when it thaws out, so it's like having 4 months of rain at one shot. I think I can maybe back down to here. Gonna have to carry most of the dirt. I hear a grader. That's what I thought. Trying to steal the dirt out of the dump truck, aren't ya? Hey, I'll just put a small load in you, then you won't have to worry about backing down there on that soft road. If that's a small load, I'd hate to see a big load. Well, that's all the farther I dare back up. Okay. Up, up. Oh, watch out for power lines. Pretty sure there's no power lines around here. Time to pull forward, I think. Okay, Matthew, put it on the culvert. Hold camera with left hand, drive with left knee, lower box with right hand. Now that's multitasking. Alright, steer with right hand. Go back to lowering. There, he's coming to get it. I didn't get that far from the culvert. Got her fairly close. Thanks for all your help, Matthew. Nice to have a good helper. You get busy and take care of that. I'm gonna go back and take a nap. See you in a while. Landscaping with the grader. Yardscaping. Don't run over the salt block. Nice job, Dad. So I came down to inspect Matthew's work on my latest and greatest 1986 125 rim. Well, it's not mine. I guess it's my parents'. Matthew, it looks excellent. Nice job. Thanks, Dad.
Hey, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, Mitchell.
Thanks for watching.
Have yourselves a great day.
Fire Captain Tom says, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Do it again.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.